Oh, I know.
It's like terrible. It's so loud.
Why? I said I have airplane pays the airport. I said I got a pair if you want. I'm going to put them in if I can go downstairs. Zach said he's got whatever. And I'm like, good. That part in the back. He's like, yeah. Or this, place you can be. I know it's going to be. You can't even tell this that's how it was last weekend. Where did I go? Maryland. Where did I say that I went? And it was great. So loud. And then Chris played like 2 weeks ago.
When you're coming home, said I don't know when. We'll get together then.
We were airplugs last weekend. Sam and I were airplugs. Bam was good. I don't remember who it was, but it was loud. The place is too small. It's not even this big. I don't think. And then there's 2 giant speakers. Yeah. So I can't even keep track of yesterday. I had the earplugs. I had to remember the earplugs. Wherever I went, maybe like before that. But the next day, like I could tell that, like my voice, whenever I listened to it, I was way too loud. And my mom said, you were so here. And you were all the time. And you were hearing cracks. They were running all this loud music and not protecting your ears. I guess like your skin, It over time was good. And my mom had hearing problems. My dad had hearing problems. All the ears were problems. That's what she thinks, My dad was in a band, not like your dad. And my dad, but she's got people hearing. But I could definitely tell that next day. It felt weird, like hearing them. Like, really weird. I have I do too. I never used to hear personally once, but I also have somebody really nice. They're like, are they mushy? These are for listening because you won't muffle it. Spikes just make the music sound bad. Well, if I put my finger right she did. I have no thoughts about it. It's like, I know it's not as loud. But you can't really, if you don't have to Right.
Just like me, my boy was just like me. My little boy and a man. When you're coming home, then I go away. Get together then, son. We're gonna have a good time then.
This is one of my dad's favorite songs.